Hi all, I am going to discuss about the problems on three-phase induction motor, that is unit 5. Here in this problem, a three-phase induction motor is wound for 4 poles and is supplied from 50 system. Calculate synchronous speed, the speed of the motor, and slip is 4%. And the third question is the rotor current frequency when the motor runs at 600 rpm. So after reading the question, write down the given data. What is the given data? From this question, the poles, number of poles P is equal to 4. The frequency is 50 Hz. And the slip is 4%. At 4%, we have to find the speed of the motor. And when the rotor speed is 600 rpm, what is the rotor current frequency? Is the question given here. We know the basic formulas here. The basic formulas, that is synchronous speed ns is equal to 120 f by p in this question. First question, we have to find out the synchronous speed. The synchronous speed is ns is equal to 120 f by p. So f is a frequency which is the induction motor is operating, that is 50 Hz. So 120 into 50 by the number of poles is already given as p is equal to 4. So the synchronous speed is 1500 rpm. And then we need to find out the speed of the motor. The speed of the motor when the slip is 4%. See, in for slip S is equal to, we know the formula ns minus n by ns. Here I have taken n as nr because to without getting any confusion about the rotor speed. N suffix r is nothing but a rotor speed here. If it represents with a percentage slip means into 100. So in the second question, by using the slip formula S is equal to ns minus nr by ns, we the slip is given, that is 0.04, which is percentage is converted into slip. S is equal to 0.04, that is equal to 1500 is the synchronous speed what we obtained initially. So from that n is equal to 1440 rpm. The third question, the question is we have to find out the current frequency, rotor current frequency with a slip of 0.610. The rotor current frequency when motor runs at 600 rpm means, here in this question the rotor speed is given. The rotor speed nr is given. We know S is equal to ns minus nr by ns. From that we can get a slip is equal to 0.6. The rotor current frequency can be obtained by the rotor current frequency, and the rotor current voltage will depends upon the slip, which will affect the parameters here. So the rotor current frequency f dash is equal to sf. F dash or f prime is rotor current frequency, that is equal to sf. We got S is 0.6 and then f dash is equal to 30 Hz frequency. So this is about one question. The same mode, there is the problems would be will be in synchronous speed, slip, rotor speed. The questions will be like this only. What is the slip? What is the frequency? What is the synchronous speed? Likewise, but the question would be different. For example, if I go to the second example, here the frequency of, if you go to this question, the frequency of the supply to the stator of a 6-pole induction motor is 50 Hz and the rotor frequency is 2 Hz. See, in this question, the number of poles, the given data is P is equal to 6 and the frequency, the operating frequency of induction motor is 50 Hz is given. The current rotor frequency is given. Rotor frequency is given as 2 Hz. So by using this data, we have to find the slip and the rotor speed in revolution per minute. So if the current frequency, that means rotor current frequency and operating frequency is known, means we can easily find out the slip as f dash is equal to sf. So s is equal to 0.04 from this data. Clear? So the second question is the rotor speed in revolution per minute. So we know we must know the rotor speed nr. So nr is given as ns into 1 minus s actually. So we got s. The unknown parameter is ns. Ns is nothing but a synchronous speed. Ns is equal to 120 f by p again. So n 120 into 50 by 6, which is 1000 rpm. So then nr is equal to ns into 1 minus s. If we substitute synchronous speed and a slip, the rotor speed will be obtained easily. So this is the procedure how to find out the problems. Most probably the problems would be on synchronous speed, slip, etc. So if I go to another problem, the stator of a 3-phase 4-pole induction motor is 50 Hz supply. The rotor runs at 1455 revolution per minute at full load. Determine the synchronous speed and the slip at full load. See, in this question, the given data is P is equal to 4. The number of poles is given and it is connected to a frequency called 50. Means operating frequency is 50 Hz. Sorry, this is a small f and the rotor runs at 1455 revolution per minute. Means here the rotor speed is given indirectly, which is 1455 rpm. So we have to find out the synchronous speed. We know the synchronous speed ns is equal to again 120 f by p. So ns is equal to 120 into 50 by 4, which is 1500 rpm. And then we must find out the slip at full load. So s is equal to again ns minus nr by ns, that is equal to 1500 minus 1455 by 1500. We will get 0.03 as a slip, that is 3%.